Okay, so this is part 2 of the video that was up prior, and this is our little dummy page that I've got here, and as we know, we go into send here, like I said last time. Hit this link, copy it. I'm gonna put that into my HTML, save it, and you'll see here the pre-request form that I've actually plugged in there is falling off the page. It also, or hiding, should I say, doesn't quite scale. It doesn't work properly. So, like I say, the way to actually deal with that is if you come in here into your line here where it says width, and we're just going to change it to 100%. Save that up, and now you'll see that the form is now fitting. Now that's not the point of this video, but I thought I'd just quickly close it out. The point is that when we have our form and a response is made, that goes to a spreadsheet, a Google Sheet, and we know what that looks like now. We've seen how to do that. So what I'm just going to quickly do is come in here, and I'm going to quickly make some submissions. So my name is Ben, my phone number is not this, and the best way to contact me is don't contact me at all, and I like your website, okay? And when we hit submit, obviously what this is going to do is it's going to fire off into the responses, and if we click in here and see responses, here it is here, Ben, the phone number, how do you want to be contacted, I like your website. Okay, so as we know, when we click this button, I'm going to create a new spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is created, and within the spreadsheet, or Google Sheets, whatever you want to call it, here is the response here. And what we want is we want this response here to be fired back to our client, the person we've made the website for. Now the way that you need to do that is you're going to go Tools, Script Editor, and when you get into the script editor, you just basically want to delete everything that's actually already written there. So this little function here, you can delete that. And I'll have this script here at the bottom of the video. All we're going to do is copy all of it, and then if you come into your editor, you paste it straight into the editor. Once that is there, you just want to save it, give it a name. So let's say form emailer. Go OK. And now here you want to go to run function on install. So here we're just going to basically agree. So yes, I want it from that account. We're going to go advanced. Go to form emailer. Here we just type continue like they've asked us to. Yes, allow. And we're almost done now, basically. Excuse me. What we're going to do now is go back to the spreadsheet. And we click on form emailer, hit install. English is fine, unless you want to go Spanish or something, but it's all there. So now the actual, this add-on is here, the second tab, or another tab. Basically what all you have to do now is decide when it triggers. So we go back into the form emailer, and it is in edit, all your triggers. So you time driven, what this means is every hour it's going to run the script. If we go to from spreadsheet and we go on form submit, what that means is every time someone submits an answer or submits a form, it's going to fire that off to the client. So we just hit save here, and that's done. So we can close out of this and go to my responses here. You'll see there's a response here, and when I jump into my email, there's no response here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just to show that this actually works, is I'm going to send myself one Bobo. Yeah, that's good. Email me. I don't even know how to spell it. Fictitious, something like that. Now we're going to hit submit. So we'll see that that has been placed in here, which is good. Now if I go into my inbox, here we go. Baggins at Google, email, I'm fictitious. Now, obviously this is returning to myself. If you want this to go to, if you want these answers or of the form to go to a different recipient, all we have to do is come here into form emailer settings, and we just change it right here. Put in the person that we want to receive the email, the subject they'll receive, and obviously here is just your fairly basic layout of what you want to the layout of the email being the notification email. These are the placeholders here of where the name will go, the phone, and the email will go. So basically shifting these around will produce a different response layout. But that's basically how it's done. I hope that all made sense. And yeah, give it a crack. Should work.